Welcome to our channel and subscribers. Today we will see the physiology of the homeostasis. First, we will see the definition of the homeostasis. It is defined as the maintenance of the constant of the internal environment of the body. Alright? The homeo means same, stasis means standing. Mainly, the internal environment is the extracellular fluid, ECF. It's include the interstitial fluid and lymph, the plasma fluid in the bones, then the fluid in the dense connective tissue like a cartilage. Then the transcellular fluid that include cerebrospinal fluid, intraocular fluid, digestive juice, serous fluid, that means intrafluoral fluid, the pericardial, right? Then the fluid and the peritoneal fluid. These are the extracellular fluid, right? Then the synovial fluid in the joint. Then fluid in the urinary tract, right? Then we will see under the homeostasis there is the water regulation, then the acid-base balance. Here we will see the water regulation. The water regulation mainly maintained by the two hormones in the human body. First one is the antidiuretic hormone. Second one is the aldosterone. First we will see the what are the regulation in the antidiuretic hormone, right? In the decrease the water content, that stimulation of the osmoreceptors in the hypothalamus. This hypothalamus increase the ADH secretion and release the ADH hormone from the posterior pituitary gland. Then what is the role of the antidiuretic hormone? It is the increase the reabsorption in the water in the distal convoluted tubule in the kidney, right? So what will happen in the water reabsorption increase, ECF volume is the increase, so normal water content came. Then the decrease the water content, thirst will occur, increase the water intake, the normal water comes. Then the no deviation, there is a no mechanism. Then we will see the increase the water content, what will happen? No stimulation in the osmoreceptor in the hypothalamus. So decrease the ADH secretion from the posterior pituitary hormone. The posterior pituitary gland that is secrete the antidiuretic hormone, right? Then the decrease the ADH, that leads to the decrease the water reabsorption from the kidneys. So normal water content here. And then increase the water content, there is no thirst. The decrease the water intake. This is the our normal regulation. This one and this one is the ADH regulation. This is the ADH regulation in the water in our body, right? Then we will see the aldosterone hormone regulation, right? Here in the aldosterone hormone, how the regulate the body water, when the decrease the extracellular volume, that is the stimulation in the juxtaglomerular apparatus. The juxtaglomerular apparatus in the kidney, so that is the stimulation secrete the renin hormone. The renin hormone, what will the function of the renin? This is the change the angiotensin into angiotensin 1. There is in the angiotensin 1, converted to angiotensin 2 by the converting enzyme, that is the converting angiotensin 1 converting enzyme in the lungs, right? Then this angiotensin 2 act on the adrenal cortex, right? The adrenal cortex release the aldosterone hormone, right? There is the adrenal cortex release the two main hormone, glucocorticoids hormone, then mineralocorticoids. In the mineralocorticoids, there is the aldosterone hormone. This aldosterone, what are the function of the aldosterone in the kidneys? The mainly the distal convoluted tubule, the aldosterone increase the water reabsorption and the sodium reabsorption. So what will happen? The increase the ECM volume. These are the aldosterone water regulation, right? Okay, these are the water regulation of the body water. And thanks for watching our channel and subscribe us.